Pushpa in Telugu, not in Tamil, not in Hindi, not in English. I watch it only in Telugu, which is the original language, because when I watch any movie, I love to watch it with the original language, with subtitle, of course, which was in Arabic and English. So the movie, as you know, the storyline, it's very simple. It's about a gang in the village who transport the woods from the jungle, and it is forbidden thing. It's happening there in India. The thing is, the movie, they didn't show in which period time, but as we see the pager in Allu Arjun pocket and the old kind of mobile, so it should be in 19th, and this is the first part of the movie. So they prepared the movie already to make it in the 2 parts or 3 parts, I think. The thing which I love in the movie, the action sequence. The action sequence, they written it very intelligently. The action coming when the action come, it's come in the perfect time. Even the songs also, it's come in the perfect time. I know there is some over action happen in South cinema, especially in Telugu or Tamil, but it is okay. It's okay. You can watch it because there is good emotions and a good drama in the movie also, which can cover that all things. I didn't like the CGI work. There is some problem with the CGI. I don't know what the reason, in spite of having very big production or big production company, maybe they produce the movie, but they have some problem with the CGI. Actually, I like the movie when from the start, because from the start they are showing the main thing of the movie, not like some movies when they give you like more than 25 minutes or 30 minutes as a beginning, as a start, a first act, which is not necessary for the movie. No, in this movie you will find the beginning is very important, and the movie is 3 hours long, which means maybe you will be bored, but I didn't feel that. I feel hunger to watch more of this movie, which make me to believe that they prepared the movie in very right notice. So that means the second part, it will be more anticipated movie for the next year maybe. Performance wise, Allu Arjun is very perfect for this role, and he done a very good job. And the people who love Allu Arjun, who the fans, die-hard fans of Allu Arjun, they will love the movie. They will love his acting in the movie. And the thing which as a critic I like about Allu Arjun, that he didn't think about his look. His look should be very clean shave or very beautiful on the screen. No, he was as a villager. That the good thing about the movie, they show everything very naturally, and they shot the movie in right places. That's the thing which I clap for the director who done this movie. Also, I loved about Allu Arjun that he have a very good dialogue delivery in the movie. The movie dialogues is very good and very impactful for the audience. I like the Rashmika character in the movie. She is beautiful as a villager, and she look very nice, and she had done a very good moments in this movie. All performance in the villain roles, they done their job very well, very well made, or very good. Also, there's Samantha, when she came in the dance item, you will love her. She is very beautiful on the screen. Fahad Fazal, he have an impactful character in this movie, and he will change the all. Maybe he is the right turning point of this movie. When you will see the Fahad Fazal character in the movie, then you will realize the movie will be changed, and there is something happening, or something will be happen in this movie. I will not talk about this, because you should go to the cinema and watch this. Overall, the movie is a very good movie, and this kind of movie is happened only for the big screen and for the big audience who will enjoy the movie in the cinema hall. So from my side, I will give it 3.5, between 3.5 or 4 stars, but 3.5 till now. I will give this for this movie, and I will wait for the second part of this movie, what will be happen for Pushpa. So will be very interesting to watch. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in other video. If you need more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and do share my channel with a like. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.